1 second. I'm sorry about that. That was like really loud. Before you all leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you did enjoy this video. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so that you never miss when I upload a video. So on to what today's video is about. I cannot speak. On to what today's video is about. I'm going to be taking out my box braids. It is long overdue for this to be done. I'm going to show you guys just real quick what it's looking like. So y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like and why I need to take these things out. So let me get up closer to you guys. So here's what the side looks like. As you guys can see, I have a lot of hair that's sticking out of the braids. Look at this. It looks really bad, y'all. And this is what the back looks like. This is what the other side looks like. So yeah, as you guys can see, it is long overdue for me to take these out. Just a few things that you guys will need. I'm gonna grab those real quick because I didn't bring them with me for some reason. I'm gonna go grab those. Okay guys, so I got all the things. So the things that you're gonna need are some scissors, a comb or a detangling brush, whatever you use. This is a paddle brush, but whatever you use to detangle your hair, either whether it's a comb, a brush, your fingers, that's what you're gonna need to detangle your hair after you take the braid out. And that's it, you guys. So to start, this isn't going to be a tutorial style video. I'm just showing you guys what I do when I take my box braids out. So I'm just going to go ahead and put one side of my hair up. Okay, so I'm going to start with my right side. I'm just going to go ahead and start by just cutting the braids where I think my hair stops. Well, I'll just cut it down a little bit because I know my hair isn't that long. So I'm just gonna, for instance, I'm just gonna start cutting right here. First few down, a lot more to go. This is a cute style, right? Think I can rock this? This is already a lot lighter, like a ton times lighter. Okay, so now to the fun part, taking down my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie some of this up. At least try to tie it up. So I'm just gonna start in the front and I'm just gonna go ahead and just take the braid down. This is the easy part. If you guys saw my the video where I put these in, I told you guys I did the rubber band method. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the rubber band out after I take out each braid. That's one down, one down, a whole head left to go. I will say though, my hair does feel very moisturized, so that's a plus. And I'm just going ahead and freeing some of the shed hair that came out while I had my hair in braids. Real quick, I'm just gonna show you guys how to get rid of buildup. Well, not get rid of it, but to separate it so it's not like clumping up in the shower or whatever. So here, as you guys can see, I have a little bit of buildup right here in this area. So what I do is I just gently pull my hair apart, like really gently. And then that should get it so that you can run your fingers or your comb or whatever through your hair to detangle it, okay? So that's just wanted to show you guys real quick how to do that. So let's continue. All right, you guys. So I have about this much left. This little section here. As this is the amount of hair that I've lost so far from this. Y'all got an afro. Y'all like it? All right, you guys, so I'm all done. This is all the shed hair that came out from the time that I had my box braids in. You guys, look at my hair. I have an afro. Okay, you guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.